How to create a WhatsApp channel. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create a WhatsApp channel. So for that, all you have to do is just open your WhatsApp in your smartphone, and after that just click on the updates button from the middle, and here you will be lead to this page where you can see all the channels right here. You just have to click on the plus icon to create your own channel on WhatsApp. So just click on plus, and here you will see these two options. First is create channel and second is find channel. So just click on create channel and then just click on continue. And now you just have to mention your channel name and the description of the channel, including which will be useful for your audience or the followers who are going to follow you, and what they are looking for in your channel. So make sure that you write it correctly. So mention all these details and just click on create channel. Now as you can see that your WhatsApp channel has been created. So this is how simple it is to create your WhatsApp channel. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.